anene korwase abarai au kuna batige babe bagwe ase ABC nechinga tingi yango kwariganire ngomanya inkwarganiretie asenchirere yobwenge eritariane Everline Osero tokwatanere kwene kya wikere asense meimanyererio nigakoro kwa Auta. Ngokwarigania mwancho murigereria kerongo koinyore una naboko gendera gotonyora sense mere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube ni gora tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter naboko tweetwetra @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yeto ni gora tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gosangana ya manke ngokwarigania tochage korwase county ya Kisii awase omo women rep ya county ya Kisii Doris Aburio yo maikenye unadonya abagakora omuroberi oboko goseboko gikeria ugosarwa kwa bana abanyaruka anene chinga kechiga cherusa ekerobono abana barenka ase umutimoko bwa masomo murobero yo nigokorekana ase chiabisya imemo chobosongo ase nonya nabo ogosirwa nebengi ya KCB ani gagocha chinga ki ense gosense ya Kenya genderete nemirobero yoko eneki abuna nkokora bare chisegi chigenga nabo igo ogosarwa kwa bana banyaruka.
When I did my research, I got the information that when our girls go through the cut, they are told by the parents, sasa mumekuwa mama. These girls will always want to do what their mothers do. Most of them, when they've given birth, from the age of 12 to 18, they will not wish to go home because of fear of the community. They will be laughed at. They end up at the streets. Now in Kisii town at night, we have sex workers, young age. What are they doing there? They want to get something for their children. If we start fighting together and protecting the girl child, of course even the boys, we tell them, use tools. Media tools are condoms. Use them. This will help you. It's not bad to tell our young people on what to do, because even as we are here, because we had information, which is power. Ekina yo kwamereria obobui bo mubungo West Mogrango ime county ya Nyamira Steve Mugaka nigo yategerwa ritko lya rero ase ekigambiro kya Nyamira oyo kwamereria obobui obo yorenge korya boigekiro gekyo kyobo chumbe Rogers Muturi nigo aikerana eriyo kwegerera obosite bwaye kinga kecho nigo omunachebina amugania Muturi gotamukwana omuwakili Danstan Omari buna omusite askariate una tabwatiranirie nekinekyo na igo tarigo chekwe walibaga lyo kwegerera goseko iranira ibori nderionsi
named one Danstan Omari adversely and suggest that he may have committed an electoral offense. He was not named as a respondent. It has been argued for the petitioner that though not named, he ought to have applied to be enjoined as a party. With respect to the council, this is not the procedure. If the petitioner felt his conduct affected the election results, he ought to have been made a party and served with a petition so as to respond to the accusations. If the court proceeds to admit the same evidence, it will go unchallenged and may be prejudicial to the respondents. If the court agrees with the petitioner, then the same Danstan Omari will be condemned. I therefore sustain the objection and make an order that paragraphs 80 and 87 of the affidavit in support of the petition be expunged for all time. You may proceed from there.
Most of it. 80 and 87 of the petition.
Of the petition?
Yes, and paragraph 37 of the supporting affidavit.
Omurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo aenekire bune serikali ya ene chigosira ebigambiro eryo kwanekia gosewikirania obokoreri burobuya anene ase okorwani obokurumi ani gaya kwana chinga kichogo cha kyabene oroboti rwe kamati obone gose the National Council of the Administration of Justice eyego chekobwatania chinsemo au nenchireyemo yoko enekia obone bwarokanire ase mwanyabantu murobiro yo nigo korekana ime omucho Nairobi.
To support the judiciary's effort in ensuring that there is efficient delivery of justice. I have asked the Attorney General to present the 2 bills that have been outstanding for a while now to Cabinet tomorrow. The pensions for judges, which has been pending for, I'm told, 4 years. We will approve it tomorrow. We will consider it in Cabinet tomorrow and forward it to Parliament for enactment so that we can support the judges. And I am told by the Chief Justice that this will be a contributory scheme, which is what we should be doing, and it will go a long way in building resources and savings in our country, and therefore it has my full endorsement. Again, to support the efficiency of our judicial system, the tribunals bill will again be presented to Cabinet tomorrow, again, so that we can be able to support the judiciary, provide the infrastructure for ensuring that we decongest our court system by making sure that the support system in the tribunals are working. Again, it will assist us in making sure that justice is delivered efficiently.
Asoroboti oruo barogo somanu munachebi no munene mavakome nigo akwanira amakongo ayu akororoka namo nasobokoreri webigambiro na watana nigo barachi kubwatirana ne kamati eyo kwene kiabuna onsi aikiranire cinga kiechyo kome niga akwanira igoro yobotumiki wekerero asenseme yebigambiro bunenchireyemo yo korobya naboigo kwangoya obokoreri asaba nanchi.
So NCAJ recognizes that we have to fully harness technology and the potential it brings in accessing justice. Accordingly, we have established a working committee to facilitate the rollout of the ICT focused on collaboration. We are working on building seamless interoperability of ICT systems among justice sector agencies. To support this, we intend to scale up investment in ICT across the justice sector so that all agencies can be at the same level. Given our strong belief and also which we share with Your Excellency on the effectiveness of ICT as an enabler also of justice, we hope that the National Treasury can ring-fence budgetary allocation specifically targeted to ICT for justice sector agencies to ensure undisrupted delivery of justice. The report also identifies challenges that have continued to plague the sector. These are limited resources, human and financial capacities. In addition, we observe that there have been instances of overlapping mandates between the institutions that are played out negatively in public.
Kukwana chinga kiecho nigo omosoiro munene bwerichi kono dinha jinera baka gukwanira igoro yegetambukiro kirikiaberige gwakwase ebigambiro anena soko bwatirana ensemo yobosoeri na boigo ebigambiro nigo boigo atebabuna obokorero buya bwabere bokorokana asagania ekamati ego chikobwatiraniwa asemerobero yonsi ebigambiro erigo ikirania onsi bunaganirie.
Your Excellency, in 2020, we resolved to leverage on opportunities and initiatives such as the use of technology to drive reform within the justice system. In this regard, we integrated the judiciary e-filing system and the ODPP, Wadilifu case management system. This has enhanced efficiency in the management of criminal trials and with a positive effect on our development of data-driven policies. As I conclude, Your Excellency, allow me to mention that the NCAJ is currently established under the Judicial Service Act 2011. Accordingly, we are in the process of drafting the National Council on the Administration of Justice Bill 2022 to provide a robust legislative framework on the functions, powers, independence, and interdependence of the NCAJ. And my position as the Vice Chair of the NCAJ is testament to it, Your Excellency. It is not captured under the current bill and under the current act, but it was the wise vision of the Chief Justice that she established this office to allow for all actors within the NCAJ to feel inclusive and own the process within the NCAJ.
Togotikana nayo nigo umuwaziri bwoborerania Eliud Owalo aganiria abananchi kurwase orogongo rwa Nyanza kubwatirana na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza irigokonyekane na sensemo ya magendero ukwana segeti kia Awelo sub-county ya Alego Usonga nigo Owalo ateba mune serikali ya Ruto nero beretie koreta amagendero yechingencho au anene ase orogongo rwa Nyanza uyo kabiro mugavano mukoro we county ya Kisumu Jack Ranguma nabayigo yokabeire omo senator ase county yo Fred Auta nigo baokoboko engane yona kugania aba Kenya bonsi kubwatia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza unenchire moyo koreta magendero imense ya Kenya.
The old tactics of politics of creating mayhem in every 5 years, that is all gone. We must change the tactics to be able to engage the government with a dialogue of bringing development in this region. And that's my plea for all the leaders that we have elected.
Let's work with the government of William Samoei Ruto so that we can bring development to our people.
The president has already proclaimed himself to the effect that the time for politics is now over. It is now time to offer services to the common wananchi. Specifically for this region, we had got a feasible and viable economic blueprint which we developed before the elections. Time for politics will come. It is now time to offer services to the common wananchi.
Egati yabaraibe dini yege Islamu ni gobagi keire bororo emeroberi ogoseka tambukero kyo muraibe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga gyokoroberia emesangerekano yo kwamereria oburai bwa Kenya Kwanza natabuna ekyo nigo kerarete liberera linene imense ya Kenya okwana chinga kyecho nigo abaraya batero na nigo egetambukero kyo boigo keraje kwa abasaria chingaki cyokoturubania omorembe imense ya Kenya nabuno nigo bamuganirie omoskeraira kwene kyabuna ngoriare chinjira chingao choko gikeria omoroberi obwo kubarusi obisa ba commissioner beke umbeke ogochori ne chimbebe IBC edio omorembe ogendere kwenekiwa imense ya Kenya.
Sasa hivi sio wakati wa maandamano bali ni wakati wa kuja na mikakati ya kuinua uchumi wa nchi pamoja na kuijenga nchi kimaendeleo.
Hatutopendelea jambo kama hilo kufanyika. Sipokuwa tunamshauri kama viongozi wa dini and other stakeholders ya kuwa itumike zile njia za kisheria.
Wacha mkondo wa sheria ufuatwe, na kama kuna haki, wacha haki iprevail kwa namna itakiwavyo.
Tunasema no violence, no civil unrest. Maandamano ni evil. Uchochezi ni evil. Kumtukana rais wetu pia ni evil. We need peace and tranquility.
Umancho murigeri bono ayande yo winge korende kerera ragense mona bego Chinsa isato cha magoroba nonchkomera na nere Vincent Onyancha eria kumanya senchera ere yo wekeranu bia mona sogo chora korgerera Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mogusi ekerbo ngo kwenyora na bakwendera gotonyora sense mere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube ni gora tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News waigo ase website ito ni gora tubwati wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendreo kumanya na boigo gogosemia amanke eritariane Everline Osero twakubwatira nere kwene kyawe kera senseme imenyerero nigakoro kwa Auta tokubaneria oburigereri borobya na boigo emagorobere ntoireru.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bwo Gusii
ekero gendrete kwebanga kugore binto au na boigo okoriye duka okugore binto bigo tumeke stima na kubeka chipamp cyo wakamache na kubekerwa esola tochandeka korya tambe genda getembe electrical services nigo bakonia PVC conduits ti switches na sockets ti solar fittings meter boxes ebirobu ti contactor nebinde binke getembe electrical services nigo boigo bare government registered electrical contractors banyore asamaga cha silver building shop number 1 ground floor hospital road gose obakere simyase namba ya obisi enoti isano na isato ibere enoti isato enoti isano nemo enoti isano na isato gose enoti isano na ibere enoti kianda enoti isano kianda eyemo kianda gose enoti isano na ibere isato isano na isato ibere isano inye ibere isano na isato getembe electrical services asobokorera obuya
Nkuryole nyumba okugura obulemu okugura ugose property management tuwe chandanonya ekiagira Green Track Estate Agencies na bwabamanyi bwamanganaya asigi kitambe no balime yumuchukisi asamagacho ahuru plaza lirongoliya gatatu room number 307A gusoba kiresimi ase namba enoti isano na ibere mara kabere inye noti isato isano nemo Green Track Estate Agencies banyore bakwangwerie okonyoragirio tagete Potters Haven iyi ni sukuru igosomya kuri birasi bya daycare playgroup PP1 PP2 na grade 1 gwika grade 5 nigo bobwato migirio yibirenko bigoro weta ni gisemi cyabutambe ngwegeria bale okubugi gita nabo igo kubugi piano nigo bobwata borokia babwata migirio